Hello everyone, come on over. I am making pizza today. An amazing pizza begins with a fabulous pizza dough. Today I will be showing you how I make this super easy and very delicious light and airy pizza dough that is perfect for all kinds of bread recipes. We will start off with 4.5 cups of bread flour. To this we're adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 4 teaspoons of instant yeast. We are adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Mix your dry ingredients really well. Once the dry ingredients are incorporated, we will add a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. We will need about 2 to 2.5 cups of warm water. Be sure your water is warm and not hot. If it's too hot, the yeast will be killed and it will not rise. We're not going to add all our water at once. We're going to add it in small batches and keep mixing. If we add all the water at once, it can get too sticky sometimes. Once our dough comes together, we are going to knead it until it's nice and soft. The dough looks perfect now. It is nice and soft. It's a little bit sticky, but it's perfect. We're just going to rub some oil on our hands and pat it on the dough. We're going to set this aside on our kitchen counter for about 2 hours. And look how beautifully the dough has risen in 2 hours. It is so soft and pillowy and fluffy. It is going to be perfect. We are just going to punch the dough down a couple of times. Now you want to sprinkle some flour on your dry, clean surface, and we are going to take our dough out on this. This recipe makes 2 large pizzas or 4 medium. Check out those beautiful air bubbles in the pizza dough. We can already tell this pizza is going to be amazing. I am making 2 large pizzas today. I have cut my pizza dough in half and I'm just rolling each dough into a smooth ball. You are going to roll this out until it's big enough to fit into your pizza pan. Grease your pizza pan with about a tablespoon of oil and then place your dough on your pan. I like to poke some holes all over my pizza dough. This prevents the pizza dough from bubbling up when placed in a hot oven. I'm just going to cover this and set it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to preheat my oven to 450. I will place this in my hot oven for about 5 minutes without any toppings. After 5 minutes, our pizza dough is ready to be topped. You can add any kind of marinara sauce you like and whatever toppings you desire. Once you have topped your pizza with all of your favorite toppings, you are going to place it back in the hot oven that is at 450 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, we have these amazing pizzas that are ready to be devoured. And when my pizza comes out of the oven and it's nice and hot, I love to garnish it with some fresh basil. It adds a really delicious flavor and a unique aroma. See how fabulously easy it is to make pizza at home. This dough is so perfect for all kinds of pizza. I have used it for naan, I have used it for bread and dinner rolls. It is amazing. You are gonna love it. It is super, super airy and fluffy and pillowy, but also has a nice crispy bottom. It is delicious. This is a must-try pizza dough recipe. You are gonna love it. Do try it out and let me know how you liked it, and stay tuned for more recipes.